I am the Academic Fieldwork Coordinator for Occupational Therapy Assistant program and also an instructor. A highlight for me for students is to be able to see them experience their level 1 and level 2 fieldwork experiences. Our program is a 2-year program with 3 semesters in class, and then the last semester, well, they're off campus. Students complete 2 8-week fieldwork rotations. Fieldwork is where everything comes together for the students. And so it allows them to take what they've learned in the classroom and apply it to real clients, real settings under the guidance of experienced practitioners.
We train our students to be generalists, and so that means they can work with people from all across a lifespan, from birth through the end of life. And students work in schools, hospitals, nursing homes, community practice, a variety of different settings. The one thing that our program offers is a class size of about 20 students. This allows us as faculty to work one-to-one with the students and give them the hands-on learning and the independent direction that they need to be able to be successful in their career. If you're looking for a career that you can make a difference in people's lives, you can help people gain their independence, and you're going to be part of a growing healthcare area, this profession could be for you. Our accredited Occupational Therapy Assistant program offers quality instruction, support, and real-world experiences that allow the students to develop a meaningful career.